In our homes, there is a space that governs the energy of water. It is responsible for washing away the toils of the day, leaving us refreshed and renewed. It is both a place of physical purification and emotional release. This important space is the bathroom. In Feng Shui, the bathroom is an area with a very unique energetic signature. Its core 5 element is water, symbolizing flow, emotions, and wisdom. An ideal bathroom should be a place that allows energy to flow smoothly and stay fresh. The water here represents not just the physical substance, but also the flow of our emotions. A clean and fresh bathroom can help us better release stress, allowing negative emotions to be carried away like flowing water, rather than stagnating. The key to good bathroom Feng Shui lies in creating a healing environment where both body and emotions can feel truly purified. So, how do you create a bathroom with clean, fresh energy? Here are 4 core principles. Rule 1. Keep the door closed. This is the simplest and most important point. When not in use, always keep the bathroom door shut. This helps to maintain the energetic stability of different spaces in your home and prevents dampness from spreading. Rule 2. Keep it dry and ventilated. A damp, dark bathroom can make a space feel heavy. Ensure your bathroom has good ventilation and wipe away excess water after bathing to keep the space dry. Rule 3. Use the wood element for balance. In the 5 elements, wood coexists harmoniously with water energy. Place in a moisture-tolerant green plant, like a pothos, in the bathroom. Not only purifies the air, but also adds a touch of natural vitality to the space. Rule 4. Place mirrors wisely. Mirrors reflect light and energy. Avoid placing a mirror directly facing the toilet. Choose a location that reflects a clean and bright area. This will uplift the feeling of the entire space, both visually and energetically. A clean and fresh bathroom is not only related to our physical health, but also symbolizes our ability to smoothly purify negative emotions and heal ourselves. It is our small, daily sanctuary for purifying the body and mind. Please give it the respect and care it deserves. May you walk in harmony with the Tao, and may all your endeavors unfold with ease. In our next episode, we will unveil the Feng Shui secrets of a private corner, the closet. Thank you for watching.